Hi everybody, I'm Lian Duan. Today we are going to talk about Helm. The topics I'm going to through these videos are: what is Helm? Helm Concepts, Helm 3 architecture. What is Helm? Helm is package and deployment managed for Kubernetes. Kubernetes apps can become very complex with all the objects you need to handle, such as configuration maps, service, pods, ingress, etc. In addition to number of releases you need to manage, for example, production, staging, test. Helm is able to use one Helm chart to manage 3 environments, such as production, staging, test. Helm is developed with the Go language and use Go template. Helm concepts. 3 big concepts: chart, repository, release. First, chart. Helm used a packaging format called chart. A chart is a collection of the files that describe a set of Kubernetes resources. A single chart may not be used to deploy something simple, like a memory cache pod, or something complex, like a full web stack with the HTTP servers, database, caches, API servers. In another word, a chart is a Helm package. Chart likes iPad or YAM, RPM file in the Linux world. Second concept, repository. A repository is a place where chart can be collected and shared. Repository has 2 types, public and private. Third concept, release. A release is an instance of a chart running in Kubernetes cluster. One chart can be installed many times into same cluster, and each time it installed, a new release is created. Consider I have app chart. I want to run 3 times in my cluster for production, staging, and test. I can install the chart 3 times. Each one will have its own release, and the release name will be different. Helm 3 architecture. Helm 2 is a client-server architecture. Client is Helm client. Tiller is a service and is running inside Kubernetes. Tiller is able to manage Kubernetes resource inside Kubernetes and cause a lot of security vulnerability, so removed in Helm 3. Helm 3 has a client-only architecture with a client still called Helm, and the same in the diagram. Its operator similar to Helm 2 client, but the client interacts directly with the Kubernetes API server. Helm client has 2 parts. One is command line, other is Helm library. The command line is client for the end user. Command line function includes local chart, development, manage repositories, manage releases, interface with the Helm library. The Helm library provides logic for execute all Helm operations, combining a chart and a configuration to build release, installing charts into Kubernetes, and provide subsequent release object, updating on installing charts by interacting with Kubernetes API server. Today we learned Helm definition, 3 big Helm concepts, and Helm 3 architecture. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was helpful, and it was. Do not forget to like it. If you want to be notified whenever a new video comes, then subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or something was not clear in the video, please post them in comment section below, and I will try to answer it. Thank you and see you in the next video.